Hi everyone. Okay, so my club kit came in. Now, let me look and see what I got. Okay, so this is the small die of the month. It's for February, and it is a stitch border, so you can do stitches on it. This is the one I was waiting for because I did my last card box unboxing, and my card kit unboxing, and I didn't have my dies in it. So now I have my dies. Now, Marvelous Medallion. This one is beautiful. This is from APG, which stands for Amazing Paper Grace. And that's what that's going to look like. So elegant. She has the most elegant stuff. And the large die of the month is a typing class. And this one is so pretty. I've seen so many people do their projects with it, and it's great. Okay, now this is what is confusing me. Is this the one I just got, you guys? No, this looks like a different one. So what was that? Oh, gosh, do I know what this is? Is it the same one? I don't remember. Oh my goodness. So this right here is the die. That's the die. This doesn't look like the same. So what was the last box I got, I wonder? I don't know. I'm confused. I'm always confused when it comes, because they had such a problem with some of the kits for the last few months because of, you know, shipments and stuff. So you get 10 envelopes, 10 cards. And, oh yeah, these are iridescent. The last ones are pink. So this is a different card kit. So was the last one January and I didn't get January's? I don't know, you guys. I am so confused. But you always get pop dots and tape runner, which are good quality. I will say they are very good quality. And let's see. Either way, I'm happy. I get a whole new, I love getting these card kits. Let me scooch it back out. The last video I had was in. Okay, so you always get 9 colors. Trying to go fast because my camera's going to go dead, but it's going to go dead way before I can get this done. Oh, so pretty. Pretty colors. Love it. This is the stamp set. Sending loving thoughts. Never lose hope. Cute. And you get frames, which we all know I love the frames. I love getting the frames. They're chipboard frames, and they're just so good. They're so much fun. Oh, look how pretty they are. They are so pretty, you guys. And you get stickers, which these are so pretty. Oh, look at that coffee cup. That is awesome. The house, the candle, the squirrel. And here is the paper pack. And let's see. Oh, I love the colors. Great colors. All I needed was like 3 more minutes, but no, can't hold out for 3 more minutes. Oh, I love that green. Oh, look at how pretty, if you can see that gold specks. Nice. Oh, look at this one too. Nice. So you get 2 of each of these papers. Oh, so we still keep going. Oh, look at that one. And there we go. Okay, so that was 2. So, almost done. Come on, camera. Hold out on me. Hold out. Just a few more seconds. A few more seconds, please. Okay, let's see. Because it takes forever to charge. This is the Ephemera Pack, which I adore. I adore all these ephemeras that they give you, all these die cuts. Thinking of you, hugs. I use this so much in my project life. Oh, yeah. Candles, swans, butterflies, leaves. Oh gosh. You can see every single one, I believe, in the Spellbinders YouTube channel. And I think Yana is the one who, Sumakula, she is the one who shows the kits every month, and she does one by one. So I'm trying to hurry. All right, guys, that was it. I love the kit, so yay for me. I got a whole new kit. All right, guys, see you later. Take care. Bye.